Sophia and the Besties. So, today we celebrated Memorial Day. Don't ask. Well, I just told you.
But we're doing
So we're doing fidget trading. Here's the thing of fidgets.
I can't see.
Yeah, the camera, it won't go, it can't go near the It's either you see that or give you a quick peek. There's a third row on the bottom. Okay. We have poppets, little fidgets, the stress balls, and then poppets. We love fidgets.
This is my literally favorite one.
One time, so actually my friend scammed me with one of those. That was my first ever fidget. I can't say who. Oh, shout out to Alina and our editor, aka our mom. Anyways, and shout out to Allison
and our dad.
Oh yeah, okay, that's just embarrassing. Okay. So you're gonna choose one from each row. We're gonna be trading. Each round you'll trade three fidgets from each row, and we also have poppet purses. So when you traded all your items, then you put them back and you grab something. Okay. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Okay. So Sophia had her name day at school. Her name was Brooklyn. We thought of it because our cousin's name was Brooklyn. She doesn't know of a YouTube channel. She lives in Texas. Oh no, I just said that. Okay, so who would like to go first? Johnny got hit by
I would.
Johnny got hit by a UFO.
Johnny.
Tick, tack, toe. Give me a high, give me a low. Give me a 3 in a row. Johnny got hit by a UFO. Johnny got hit by a UFO. Johnny got hit by a UFO. Johnny got hit by a UFO.
I win, you lose. Now you get to accept rules.
No fair, now I get to play fair. Okay, so what's basically happening is you close your eyes. You can be like, I choose this, Daddy!
I think
So yeah, we have a lot of things. Just learning you this sharp.
This is gonna be easy for me. I know
Eat
it's
a sand stress ball, but it's kind of broke. And guess what? He doesn't like sussy bakas. I'm the only sussy baka it likes. Okay.
It's sand.
It has a bubble in it, which is super satisfying.
I think it's sand.
Yeah, there is. You never knew that?
No.
The day I got it, it broke. So our cat is just chilling. Alright, he left. Anyways, Sophia, come.
I'm gonna be right back.
Well, no, Sophia, it's your turn. She's taking the... She just picked up the cat and let it go because it didn't want it. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna move. Well, close your eyes. First, you're gonna choose from the first row. No, that's the second row. Okay. You got it. Make sure your eyes closed. If you see her cheating in this video, just let me know. She will be punished. No, she won't. Okay, just choose. Hurry up, Sophia. You take 2,000 years. So this was her first one she chose. You're trading it.
I could have got this.
Okay, now go to the second row. Close your eyes. Choose something. Okay, so she got this, but you're going to be trading it to me. It's not mine, and it's mine.
But I always can hit
What else can I get? But you have to trade. Okay, got that. Okay, close your eyes. Go to the bottom. You'll get a poppet this time. Put your...
I'll close my...
Okay, she chose this poppet bracelet. One of my favorite poppet bracelet is this one. It's really cool. Okay. Okay, let me move that out. So her first one she'll be trading is this, then this, then this.
I don't like that one.
Okay, so now it's my turn. Okay, so, I do not like to cheat in these type of things. I don't care what I get. Okay. Put your hand on my face. I really like. Wait, where's my mini pocket? That was cool. What's this? What am I touching? This. What's this? Bruh.
That's mine.
Okay. Well, we share favorites, so that's the first one I got. Bruh. Okay, I love stress balls. They're so satisfying and so fun. Oh, you never got a stress ball.
Wait, you never did.
I know, I'm about to put it back in. What's this? What's this? Oh, that's short. What's this? I don't know what this is. What is this?
Open your eyes.
Oh, it's the blue stress ball.
I know what to trade that.
Okay. Pop it time. What's this in my hand? Oh, I know what that one is. I don't want it. Bruh.
I want to trade that.
It has like tiny holes to pop. Super cute. So we're only doing indoor. We put it in an outdoor video because you can wait tacos. Yum, 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 yum. So I got this Pop It. This dinosaur Pop It and this stress ball.
Alright, it's my turn now.
No, we're trading. 3. Yeah. And then we do it again. 3. Did I not explain that in the beginning, you guys? Okay, so grab one of your fidgets you want to trade first. I want to trade this last second.
I want to trade this.
I want to trade
This.
You want to trade? That's for that. You have to trade.
You know what?
Okay, I hit accept. So I have one new thing, 2 more things.
One more new thing.
Okay. The dinosaur pop.
Alright,
So wait, you need 3 things to go on to the next round. Please, I want to go to the next round. So that there's 2 rounds.
I know.
You want to trade?
Decline.
Sophia, then we're never going to get to the next
Fine.
round. Finally. Now we're going to be in the next round
No.
in 2 seconds. Jeez.
Hey, that's mine.
I know, but where's mine then? I traded you this, right?
Yeah.
Did I trade you this? No. So
Yes.
You're going to have to hit yes, Sophia.
Fine.
Now we can go to the next round. Now, that was the trading round. Now we put the fidgets back. Put them back where you found them. Because she probably won't. That's her pockets. This is many things. That's in Pop It. That's in Pop It. It's on the ground. It's in Pop It. Put this back. So now, grab a stress ball and you have 3 seconds and you're going to try that. 3. Wait, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I grabbed 2 by accident. I'll put one back. This is, this is not even a stress ball.
Oh, no.
It's one of those slippery things.
I got this ice cream one. Bruh. I hate it.
Bruh.
If I'm happy, I'm going to trade for that.
Put it, no, we're not. No, we're not. Now put your fidget back.
Oh.
We're not trading these. That was trading round. Okay. This is the round where you have for 3 seconds to take every. Okay. Take a dimple. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. That's not a dimple. Sorry, you lost that round. No. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to say that's it for today. I don't know if that was a boring
You
video
guys,
or not.
look, I could have told this one. I
So-
could have.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to play with your poppets and whatever after this video. Or if you don't want to do that, just watch our YouTube channel. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we don't care how many subscribers we have. We just care about how we entertain people, and it's fun to make these videos. So, bye.
And I even think this is one piece.
Pop it. Pop it. Ew, that's a stinky foot, not a poppet. Wait, where's that foot? Wait, where's that foot poppet? There's like one shaped as a foot. Wait, do you guys like baby?
Okay, I think I know what that is.
Who likes I'm on my foot right. Johnny,
This is my foot right now, bruh.
So, pop it.
This is my foot.
This smells so good. Okay, pop it. Okay, Sophia, we get it. We get you have a pop it foot. Well, who cares?
I just took it.
Pop it, peace. Tell me if you like Baby Yoda. Bye. What? Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Pop it, peace.
Bye.